Oh, hi guys, and welcome to a new episode of Annie's Kitchen. I'm feeling emotional. No, I've been cutting some red onions here. Can you see that? Yeah. All right. Yeah, today we're gonna be making a very simple Greek salad. It's pretty delicious, actually, and you can use it for pretty much any occasion. I would say, though, it would be pretty cool for Valentine's Day. Alright, so let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is throw in your onions and your garlic. I cut a whole red onion and 2 cloves of garlic. And then you're going to want to saute it a little bit. Back burner here, we're going to be making some macaroni, which means egg macaroni. It's going to be the noodles for our pasta. Just stir it in a little bit. You need to add a little pinch of salt to the water before you throw the noodles in. Alright, what we got over here? Yep, the onions have started cooking. Alright, let's have a little break. Okay, so as you can see, we have sauteed the onions and garlic a little bit. You're not going to want to cook it too long because it's going to be cooking for a while longer with the chicken. And we're also going to be adding some artichokes and olives, etc., etc. So yeah, this is the look you're going to want to have for your onions. So we have fried the chicken until it's brown. The noodles over there are done, as you can see. For newbies, if you want to test if your noodles are done, you just need to take a bite. And if it's still chewy and sort of dry on the inside, then it's not ready. Anyway, okay, so now we are going to be adding, this is a large tomato, a pack of feta cheese. Just going to throw that in there. And we have 1 can of artichoke hearts. In German, Artischockenherzen. Just kidding. Accent is not so strong here in Nordrhein-Westfalen. Alright. Okay, let's just add these. Hold on. Wait. Okay, so you can either get a can or a jar. Either way, that should be enough. Alright, then we're going to add a little spritz of lemon juice. Hold on. So we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. See, like that? Okay, we're going to add some parsley. The recipe calls usually for fresh parsley, but if you're like me and you want to save a buck, petersilie, can of parsley. Okay, there we go. Just add a little bit of parsley, a little bit of oregano. Oh, wrong side. Don't you just hate that? Alright, okay, some oregano. And then we're going to stir it all together. And we're going to turn the heat down to medium. See here, it's like a low medium heat. Okay, and then we're just going to cook that for about 5 minutes till everything is warm. Okay, so now that we have cooked the artichokes and the tomatoes a little bit, we're going to stir it in with the noodles. Oh. Alright, doesn't that look delicious? Okay, and we are going to put this on the burner and let it cook for about 5 more minutes. Okay. All in there. I guess. Okay, so look at this. Delicious. I'm going to serve some on the plate here. Alright. And you're going to add a few little lemon wedges. Make it look pretty. And a little bit of salt on the top. Alright. So, as they say in Greece, Kali Oreski. And in French, bon appetit!